Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can hide your age on your Yubo app. To do so, first of all, open up Yubo like I already did, and after opening up your Yubo and logging into your account, just go into your profile icon on the top right side of your screen. And in the same place, there's a settings option as well. Click on the settings, and from here, click on the option that says swipe settings. And here you will see an option for don't show my profile. Right now it is disabled. If you enable this feature, you will be able to hide your age and your profile while being on the swipe page of other people. If you disable this, everyone will be able to see your gender, your age, and your location as well. But if you don't want others to see it, just enable this and it will enable it features, and other people will not be able to see your age, your location, and much more. This was for this video, and that's how you can hide your age on your Yubo. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.